Your organization may be starting down the SAFe journey. Perhaps you've launched some Agile Release Trains, or maybe you've heard about the framework and you want to learn more in advance of possibly implementing the framework. This is the course for you. Hi, my name is Dwayne Stroman. I am an SPCT with KnowledgeHut. Bear in mind, this is a fairly advanced course. We dive deep into why should you transform? What are the reasons behind it? The Scaled Agile principles, the critical nature of those principles. We talk about how to apply those in a practical setting. And then we shift gears and start talking about some of the practices. How do you approach things like PI planning, team formation, your Agile Release Train backlog refinement setup, your Kanban, different things like that. We talk about, at a high level, lean portfolio management. We introduce you to features as benefit hypothesis, a number of key areas around the framework. And then in the implementing core part, we walk you through the SAFe implementation roadmap. It's a guideline, it's a guidepost for how to implement the framework. And I will tell you, in my 10 years of working with organizations implementing SAFe, we still use this approach. It's tried and true, it works. We walk you through each section, area by area. We talk about how to reach the SAFe tipping point, making the decision, should you go SAFe or not? And we talk about how do you understand your value streams, and from that, how do you create an implementation plan? Once you have that implementation plan, then we talk about how you actually launch an Agile Release Train, and then how do you help that Agile Release Train continuously improve? How do we rinse and repeat? How do we continue to improve? How do we accelerate towards business agility with the entire organization? So I really enjoy teaching this class because it will open your mind, your experience, to a different way of thinking. We try to give you a lot of practical tips and guidance, real-world stories of SAFe from the trenches. Be ready to really be engaged. It's a very intensive course. We cover a lot of ground, a lot of material. We need your full attention. We really need you engaged with it. The reason I like working with KnowledgeHut is we have brought together some very passionate, engaged, and most importantly, experienced trainers and consultants. We have all been in the trenches for many years. I have been working with Scaled Agile since 2012. We bring that experience to bear in the class. But not only the experience, we bring the empathy. We understand implementing this framework is difficult. We understand how your organization might not be understanding the approach, the reason for taking this on. We have a lot of empathy for that, and we're here to help you with that. So I hope to see you in an upcoming SPC course. This is Dwayne Stroman, and thank you for watching.